What's happening, guys? We're back and I fixed it. Alright guys, I fixed the mold. I got a nice couple coats of resin on there. So we're back to kind of where we ended last episode, but this stuff actually has hardener in it, so it will cure. Today I actually want to lay the fiberglass on here and get that all done so that that'll cure, and then we'll have a mold for it. And then we can pop that flange off and continue the process on the rest of the hood. So first step is all those inside corners. It's really hard to get the glass matting to kind of stick in those inside corners. So a trick that I've found is actually to mix up a slurry with some of this just 1/4 inch loose chop strand and a whole bunch of resin, and kind of build that up to make that sharp corner a little more rounded. So we're gonna take, I got some leftover resin there that's still blue. We're gonna mix in some chop strand, make a bit of a slurry, and then fill in those kind of inside edges. All right, that's already starting to kick off. When you lay a thin coat of this resin, sometimes it has difficulty generating enough heat on its own to kick. So what I'm gonna do is, just to make sure everything goes off nicely, I'm gonna set up a little space heater here, get it nice and warm, and that'll help everything cure. And then while that's happening, we'll cut up some strips of chop strand so we can start the actual fiberglass layup. All right, that stuff's already nice and hard, so let's mix up another batch of resin and start laminating. Well, that got real interesting real quick. I'm still fairly new to this fiberglassing thing, so I think some of that lack of experience showed on that one. I over catalyzed my first mixture The resin says to catalyze it at 2%, and I did that, and that only gives me about 20 minutes of working time. And then I put too much glass fiber on, so then I had to mix up more resin, and then by that time I was out of that 20-minute working window. So I think what we need to do is just let that kick off real quick, which it already is. Most of it's already cured. We'll mix up another batch of resin, a bigger batch this time. We'll probably do 500 mils or more, and then we're gonna under catalyze a little bit. We're probably gonna go to like 1.5%, and that should stretch our working time out quite a bit. So hopefully that works. I'm also gonna grab a bucket of ice, and we're gonna stick our mixing cup in that ice, and that'll keep the temperatures down in the resin while it's in the mixing cup and slow down that reaction, just to give us a little bit more working time before this whole thing kicks off. So let's get some ice, mix up another batch, and try it again. All right, we're kind of fighting air bubbles on this thing. Part of it is because I'm doing it in multi-steps, and I'm not being very diligent on making sure all my little hairs of fiberglass on the edges, making sure they're not all stuck down. We're ending up with hairs stuck up and hardened, and then when you lay a new sheet of mat over top of that hair, it won't conform, so it'll just make a big air pocket. So what I've done is I went through and trimmed out any of the big air bubbles, and then kind of sanded off most of the hairs that I can find. And then I'm gonna mix up a batch of slurry again with that 1/4-inch chop strand and try to fill any of those holes. That should give us a fairly flat surface to continue laying our mat up on. And then I'm out of mixing cups. This will be my last one for the slurry. So then we'll be at a standstill until I run back into town and get some more cups. So let's mix up a batch of slurry and try to smooth things over. All right, we got that extra coat of slurry on. We threw a couple pieces of glass mat, just kind of easy ones in. It's just gonna be a battle of building up thickness and building up strength on there. So I figured if I had the extra resin, why not? But yeah, I'm all out of mixing cups, so I can't do anything more on the mold until I run into town and get some more supplies. So we're gonna end the episode there, guys. We got a good run of making that mold. I'm gonna spend the next week or so, well, probably the next couple days really, building up thickness on there off camera, so that hopefully when we come back to you guys next week, that's all thick and strong enough that we can demold or pull the dam off the backside and start on another section. So we're gonna call it there, guys. as always, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button. I think we're already up to 500 subscribers, which I know is small in YouTube terms, but it's pretty big in terms of my channel. So thank you so much, guys. Yeah, go check us out on Instagram, Leftfootfirst Media, and we'll see you next week. I'm out of here.